Alright guys, as you know, I got into the RC hobby about a year ago. And my brother's been into it for, God, he's probably like when he was 10 years old, and he's 53 he's gonna be. He has like 100 of them or more. He got me into it. Well, this one here, this body, he bought me one about 20 years ago and I wasn't that into it. But just in this last year, I started doing some rock crawling. Actually, if you look way back there in the distance, you see that mountain back there? We go up there. It goes for like ever. It's real big. I go on a trail that's like 6 miles long. Well, here's the first one. And then you guys remember this one. And then this one here I just got like a few months ago. And now I'm getting so into it. I just got a new one. I'm getting hooked. This one here. It's like a bright green. This one I did the stickers, all the stuff you see on it was just green with nothing on it. It's the first one that I'm actually customizing. I put these wheels on it. They're aluminum wheels. In the back too, the black part by the license plate I put in there, it was just green. I figure I'm gonna do it up. And then here on the front, I don't know if you can see it, the way it teardrops back by the headlights. And also the sticker I put on the hood. Adventure awaits, because it really does. And I gotta get the lights for this thing yet. And also I might get on the roof a luggage rack, and it has 4 lights in it that'll light up so you can go at night. I may even get a sound box so it sounds like it's got an engine in it. But I guess I'm getting into it big time. I'm on my 4th car. Actually, I have 2 more. One's gas, I don't use it. But these are rock crawlers. So, yeah, I guess I am getting into it big time. I like this green one. I didn't use it yet. I'm going to just hook it up first, and then we'll see. I might not go crazy with it. It may just be one for looks. We'll see. But I just wanted to share it with you guys. My other hobby. Crazy. Alright guys, thanks for watching.